helps the flow of energy, and it actually resonates a 7.83 hertz grounding frequency throughout the body, and through these interconnected connective tissue pathways, meridians, there's all these different conceptual frameworks for how the energy flows through the body. What I just read was just one example of that, and kind of some of the newer understanding of how that works. So why don't you put your right hand out, and we're just going to do a baseline test. And so you want to keep your arms straight and resist my pressure. And now I want you to lift your right leg. And balancing is one thing I've noticed that this particular product, which I call the Harmonic Handset, and this product seems to help people balance. It's generally pretty easy for me to throw people off on their balance with very little pressure, and then when you put this bracelet on. And this is the simplified version of the bracelet that they call the level 1. What I promote on the website is level 2, which is actually 10 times as powerful as this one. So now lift your leg again, and now keep your arm straight and resist my pressure.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
Thanks for watching, and visit us at healthharmonic.com or click the link in the description and get your Harmonic handset. Try it out today. Thanks again for watching.